Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, I'm Femke, and in today's video I wanted to share with you how I made this cute pink and embellished design. I'm only going to share one nail of the entire set, but if you're curious to see more about the entire set that I did make off camera, do check out my Instagram channel because I won't be sharing the other 4 nails and how I did those, but it's kind of similar to what I'm going to show you guys here. But yeah, here you can see I had already removed the previous set. I had still a little bit of a yellow and black on there, but I didn't want to file it down too much just to make sure I didn't damage my natural nails. But if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. I would really appreciate it if you like to subscribe, hit that like button and notification bell as well if you want to be noted every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to start off, of course, with clean nails. I have slightly buffed up the surface to make sure that the gel polishes actually have like some texture to hold onto, to grip onto. And I'm starting off with a base coat layer, and I'm using the Soak Off base by Madam Glam, but all of the other gels that I'm going to use are by Pink Gellac. I just really love this base coat and I feel like it works best on my natural nails and actually make sure that my manicure lasts really long. But for the first color, I'm going in with this beautiful pink. I really love pinks. You guys know me, especially if you've been hanging out with me for a longer period of time here on YouTube or even on my Instagram. You know that I love pink, and especially the bright like Barbie pink kind of colors always have a special place in my heart, so I really love to use those. Just a little like extra information, the gel polishes by Pink Gellac have to cure for a full minute in LED. If you compare that to Madam Glam, those only have to cure for 30 seconds in LED, so you have to wait a little bit longer, but it is a bit of like a harder gel as it is, which works really well if you have like kind of like weaker nails or brittle nails to kind of strengthen up the natural nail if you're working on your own natural nails, of course. But yeah, I'm just going to apply 2 layers of that and cure each layer for a full minute, and then I'm going in with my like special touch shimmery glittery color that I will show you in a little bit. But just look at that gorgeous pink. And here you can see the other colors that I used for the entire set. This is something that I just randomly do in one of my booklets, just swatch the colors and cure them just to see what they look like. But the sparkly color that I'm going to use is this one. It is called Diamond Pink, and you might notice that the packaging looks a little different than the bottles by Pink Gellac look nowadays. That is because I actually received this gel I think like a year ago or something like that, and it is still in their old packaging, so the old wrapper around the bottle, but the brush is pretty much similar to what it is now, and you can still get this color, but the bottle will look a little bit different. It's just a beautiful sparkly color. There's like gold, shimmer and glitter in there, pink, like a whole bunch of different tones, but it matches really well with the pinks I'm using in this design. After curing that sparkly color for a full minute, I'm going in with the Ultra Shine top coat. I have had some questions about this top coat and people actually having difficulties with it. I didn't have any issues with it, but if you don't like this one, there's also the regular like shine top coat, I think it's called. That one still has a sticky layer after curing, so make sure to wipe that off if you're going for that one. But just a little ago in this video you already saw like the different gems that I was planning on using, which is something that I love to do. Just place them on a little like palette or something like that and just choose my gems as I go and just work on the design. Sometimes I have so many ideas in mind, but I can't really pick one. Like, hello, Libra here. It takes a little bit for me to actually decide what I want to use, and this just works best for me. Just throw a whole bunch of different gems, embellishments, everything like that on a little plate or palette and just work and wing it as you go. So yeah, I just applied a little layer of that top coat to my thumb already, and before curing I'm just already placing some of those embellishments in there. You can also use a thicker like gem glue or gem gel if you want to. I just feel like I haven't found the perfect product for that yet, so what I tend to do is just to place my embellishments, gems and so on into a layer of wet top coat, and once everything is in place I just cure for a full minute and apply an extra layer of that same top coat just to seal in around the edges. So one tip I want to give you guys is just that if you're going to do it like this, just settle everything in like a top coat. Make sure that when you go in with the second layer you don't go over any of your crystals, because that actually dulls their shine, and that is something that we of course don't want, because if you're like me and you love a lot of bling, you want your crystals to maintain their shininess and their like sparkle for the next couple of weeks of you wearing this design. But yeah, here I have already placed most of my gems. I actually went for a couple of like pointy back gems, some lovely opal ones, some really cute pink ones. I just switched it up a little bit, wanted to try something different. As I mentioned, I'm a Libra. It takes a little while for me to actually decide what I want to do, so sometimes I just pull some different gems, just hold it close to the ones I have already placed, and then I'm like, nah, I'm gonna change it up anyways. Which is exactly what I did right here. I first wanted to do like some silver heart-shaped studs. I felt like they were a little bit too big to my liking, so I just replaced them with some pink star-shaped like gems or rhinestones, which are really cute by the way. If you want to know where I get most of my embellishments, gems, all that jazz, I get a lot of them from AliExpress. They're really inexpensive and there are just so many to choose from. So yeah, just look them up at AliExpress and I'm sure you will find a bunch. And yeah, here you can see I had already cured the first layer where I placed all of my embellishments in for a full minute. And now I'm going in with an extra layer of that top coat, just making sure that I'm sealing the edges of the gems a lot. But just make sure you don't go over or on top the gems. It's okay if you like touch the edges just a little bit. It actually makes sure that they're really sealed in and they will definitely stay put for at least 2 to 3 weeks. Or at least on my nails. I do have quite a manual job, but I did wear this like without any like gems flying off or anything like that for about 2.5 to 3 weeks. So yeah, I really love this design. I think it's really cute, and yeah, that was actually already the entire video. If you have any questions or comments, you can always let me know in the comment section down below, or just send me a DM at Instagram. My Instagram handle is always in the description box as well. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Do let me know what you think about this design. Is it something that you would love to wear as well? Maybe with some other colors. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and as usual, I hope to see you in one of my next videos.